Ohio Revised Code, Section 2907.05, gross sexual imposition. No person shall have sexual contact with another, cause another to have sexual contact with the offender, or cause two or more other persons to have sexual contact when any of the following applies. The offender purposely compels the other person or one of the other persons to submit by force or threat of force. For the purpose of preventing resistance, the offender substantially impairs the judgment or control of the other person or of one of the other persons by administering any drug, intoxicant, or controlled substance to the other person surreptitiously or by force, threat of force, or deception. The offender knows that the judgment or control of the other person or one of the other persons is substantially impaired as a result of the influence of any drug or intoxicant administered to the other person with the other person's consent for the purpose of any kind of medical, dental examination, treatment, or surgery. The other person or one of the other persons is less than 13 years of age, whether or not the offender knows the age of that person. The ability of the other person to resist or consent, or the ability of one of the other persons to resist or consent, is substantially impaired because of a mental or physical condition, or because of an advanced age, and the offender knows or has reasonable cause to believe that the ability to resist or consent of the other person or one of the other persons is substantially impaired because of a mental or physical condition or because of advanced age. No person shall knowingly touch the genitalia of another when the touching is not through clothes, the other person is less than 12 years of age, whether or not the offender knows the age of that person, and the touching is done with an intent to abuse, humiliate, harass, degrade, or arouse or gratify the sexual desire of any person. Whoever violates this section is guilty of gross sexual imposition.